It's April 13th. I believe it's, I'm not sure what the first day of spring was, but I think we're at least 2 weeks into spring. And in Dakota, this is what can happen sometimes 2 weeks into spring. It's called a spring blizzard.
To 50 miles per hour, in fact, gusting to 53 with 20 degrees. This is in town, folks. You do not want to be traveling out and about. You could be stranded in no time.
Visibility is currently at the airport down to half a mile, but this is practically near zero visibility, no matter which way you look at it.
Here's our low. It's kind of two different systems, and eventually they'll become stacked, and that's when they start the weekend. But the big takeaway right now is this is still a very powerful system.
A historic blizzard that's only going to get more intense as the night wears on.
We saw snowfall rates 2 to 3 inches per hour yesterday as that snow band was moving towards the north.
Really, Minot is the epicenter, and we've been talking about that. The Minot would really get hit hard today.
Velva surrounding areas, I know you're concerned, hearts are beating, you're scared, and for good reason, because this is a monster of a storm. That low pressure starting to slowly try to make more of a southerly movement.
I do think the biggest factor today will be that blowing snow and those wind speeds. Some areas yesterday surpassed 60-mile-per-hour winds.
Most of North Dakota is shut down.
There's no escaping in South Dakota, North Dakota, eastern Montana. You are getting blizzard-like conditions.
3 feet of snow, 36 inches the past couple of days. Of course, that makes it.
We close the door. As you can see, there's snow. I tiptoe my way out here. I have to change my shoes. So I'll go into the new entryway, knock off my shoes that I just got full of snow. And yesterday, as you can see, we have some snow blowing in by the door that hasn't been sealed off yet. So, special note for that. And then I was thinking I might go out there later and get some before and after shots, but North Dakota. Well, this will be a test for low light. It's pretty dark in here, but as you can see, 13th of April, we figured we wouldn't have to worry about sealing up the doors or finish the install. You know, plenty of time, but the blowing snow does come in a bit. Well, I'm really glad we put this garage up in this new entry. At least I'm in the entry. I don't know if you can see behind me, but she's blowing and the big flakes are coming down. And this is almost whiteout conditions. And this is April 13th. Anyway, I thought we'd go up into the she shed, into our new little space for doing whatever. This is in the front side of the garage. Maybe we could take a peek out a couple windows. I don't see any snow coming in here. That's a good sign. It's nearly complete whiteout. And as you can see, the birds are just like freaking out here down by the feeders trying to get some food. go upstairs, see what's going on. Take a peek out these windows. Well, no snow coming in the older window that we had left over before we did this. Let's take a look down the cabin. Can't see far. The roof blows clean. Not down there. Well, turn around, let's take a look and see if we can see out the windows. From down at the house, it looks pretty much like a whiteout. That's about it. I don't know if you can see big flakes floating. Birds down below trying to get every seed they can. Wind is howling. You can see this is the west side. I still got some plastic from the construction, but you can see how it howls, the wind and the blizzard. You know, down to the neighbors. We're up on the second floor. Good news is there's no snow coming in here anywhere. And, you know, something to celebrate. Not around the windows, not through the soffits. None of it. It's very nice. I'll get a couple pictures. It's good to record the blizzard of April 13th, 2022. Well, there's my sidewalk. It would be real nice to have if I would have taken the time to put the door on the inside of the garage, the old garage going into the entryway. But now this is the only way to the entryway. And so it's a long slog, but I'll see if I can dig a path. Be back whenever, hour or two. Well, I don't know, this is 3 feet or more right here. And the snow plow, of course it's snowing right now. Somebody's out. This stays open in a big snow, and the stuff didn't blow off the top of the trim. But the car is buried at 5.5 feet of snow in front of it, 4.5.